Hey everybody, welcome to definitely not a bunch of shit in my garage, keeping me from using the shaded space to work on my vehicle today. Welcome to another episode of Definitely Not Mechanics. We're just gonna zoom right through that. If this is your first time on the channel, leave a comment and share, subscribe, do all the stuff that you're supposed to do to support us small-time YouTubers. Yeah. Today is going to be kind of a vlog style video. We're just going to be working on the van. There's a lot of miscellaneous stuff that I need to do, and instead of spending the time to make how-to videos on it when there's already 100 online, I'm just going to fucking rush through it, get it done, probably half-ass it, and figure out what breaks down the road.
Definitely not mechanics fashion.
Exactly. Oh, you know what? I don't think we've done this on video yet. Introducing the Tundra 2.0. Zach got glasses. What do you guys think about that? Now we just look like a couple of dudes being bros. We're just out here wearing big frame glasses, matching hats, matching shirts. Oh my god. What douchebags. It's Ford fucking Ranger. Sweet. We finally got what we needed. Now we're just walking around looking to waste some money on something, you know? Okay, so we got the socket that we need. Boom, right there. Now, this guy's getting a little hungry, so to keep him happy, we're gonna go.
You're getting hungry too, so I don't want to hear jack shit.
Don't you fuck up the dynamic that I have going in this video. What are you trying to eat?
Something light.
We can go eat with Candace.
Who?
Can this dick fit in your mouth? Hey, what if every time you used your impact it went, oh, yeah?
Hopefully you got the right ones.
What are the ones for this vehicle? That hurts my ears. Can you do it quieter? Oh god. Yeah, you can probably just pull it out from there.
When in doubt, umbrella it out.
Here, you can lay under my umbrella. Ella.
You know, when you go to work outside in the nice, beautiful sun that we haven't seen in over a month.
Hey, fuck this sun, man! Yeah, do that shit. I'm gonna come over here and accept it like you're fucking delivering a goddamn baby. Keep going. Oh, yeah! There we go. Oh. Get in there! Get in there!
What are you trying to do? You like on the Matrix or something?
Huh? I don't know. I just want to let you guys know I'm not white trash. Those are leaves. We just raked them up and stuff. I don't just like keep trash sitting around. That was done recently. So in 15 minutes time, he's completely replaced that axle. And just trying to get this motor mount put back together. Shoo-wee. Wow, it is bright than a bitch out here. Alright, so we got both axles in. We replaced one of the motor mounts. Turns out they weren't all bad. I thought they were all bad. After that, we were going to put in the headlights, but we got distracted with some home projects. I had to move some couches around.
It's scumbags, as usual, into moving furniture.
Well, you know, you come to help out with cars, you end up helping out with the family too. So, ended up cleaning the garage pretty good. We got a couch in the garage now, which is an upgrade from our rocking chairs because those can go back on the back porch since it's nice outside. Yeah. We got a cool little chill space in here. Cool. Zach got something else to add to our long list of projects that are never getting done. You know, to add with that one, and that one,
That one.
And now that one, because this is a different one than the previous one. And now rust bucket, and we got the trooper.
And then now we got a new one that we're about to show you.
All right.
Let's go.
Oh yeah, that's sick. Make noise. The HOA loves that.
I'm not worried about HOA.
Okay. Anybody want to buy a motorcycle? Anybody want to buy a Ford EcoBoost motor? Anybody want to buy some?
No, those ones.
Anybody want to buy those?
No.
Hey, you know, you always complain about there not being room in your garage, but like this is a really rust bucket sized hole here. Oh God. Oh. All right, we've retrieved the engine stand, and now we're gonna do rust bucket things.
After we ate.
Huh. Hey, you got a friend. So, this is a Lexus SC400. Is that correct?
Yep.
SC400. No tail lights. Something probably wrong with that window. These tires don't go on here.
Window motors are gone.
Yep, window motors are gone. At least it's got doors.
Tire's flat again.
That looks awful. This tire's flat too.
I hate this shit.
The hood's kind of jank. Nope, that's ant pile.
Car's a lot closer on your side.
Whale, whale, whale. Hey Zach, what's that?
It's the one UZ.
It's
First gen.
a VA power.
Power.
All right.
With an automatic transmission, unfortunately.
That's yucky. What's this? Cool. What a cool thing to get. This is a piece of shit. What are you doing with it?
Taking this motor, and we're taking that motor, and we put this motor in that motor.
You put this in there?
Anyway.
Why are you doing that? You got a rotary. Super cool.
Yeah, well, it's too expensive right now. It's cheaper.
Yeah, the market for rotary is really inflated lately, especially with the rising lumber prices and stuff. It's harder to make Doritos. I don't fucking know. Apparently it's expensive to put together a rotary, so we're just gonna sit on that for a little while and just keep that kind of at the back of the shelf in case something else needs a rotary. We'll just maybe, you know. But this is a run and drive.
Hopefully.
Wait, what? I thought you this was confirmed.
No, I told you I wasn't able to get it to run.
Nice, super nice. Oh, that's cool. Oh yeah, this is looking like we're gonna need an engine harness. Cheap is good. So, that being said, does anybody need to buy a SC400 shell? Mint condition.
With title.
Oh yeah, with title. It's got a title. What are we doing now? Didn't you have a plan that you wanted to?
So, to get everything, get the ball rolling, we're gonna go ahead and snatch the rotary transmission out of the way. And that way I actually have motivation to come over here and snatch that out, put it in there, go vroom vroom.
Vroom vroom.
Vroom vroom.
Vroom vroom.
Yeah.
Okay, so we gotta pull this out?
Yep.
Okay, you better get strapping up. This fucking guy's always getting us into trouble. So this just tied up. This is the hook. Oh fuck. There's no steering set up here, so it's just gonna, however it goes. Oh, that's ant pile. Fuck me, dude. Oh, here it comes. Oh, remember, there's no brakes, so I should probably get something to throw under it, huh? Take that off. It looks sad. Sheesh. I don't know, man. It looks really good in there. Are you sure you want to take it out? Why is this taking so long, Zach? Okay, why don't you get in there and get out? Hopefully not get bit by a fucking radioactive field spider. Something shady is going on here. Kerplunk. Hey, you throw another motherfucking thing at me.
What you gonna do, bitch?
I don't know, probably kiss you.
I like it.
Normalize kissing the homies goodnight.
So we got the ratchet trapper you just used.
That one?
I mean, it might be strong enough.
Fuck it, why not? I've pulled cars with those, let's do it.
Yeah, definitely. Here, tie it off. Because I can't do that. I never went to Boy Scouts.
Do you really think that I did?
There you go. Okay. Okay, okay. I take over.
Yeah, take the glory, big guy. Ask him what the fuck he's doing now. Hey, what the fuck are you doing now? Oh, I want to do this part. Yeah, 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 yeah.
But shit, hey, record.
Sorry, there's a giant mosquito on me.
So it
was so big.
He got nervous.
Oh, hold on, I'm on the wrong mode. Shit. Cool. Hey, it like does it by itself. Okay. Or not. Coming over here, fucking hell. Get out of there. You don't have a, God.
We didn't get the big one today. So right back to square one where we were last year.
I'm just glad we didn't like spend the time and money and resources to find like mounts and shit and then put them in there. You know, because then it would be like permanent, they'd be welded in, and we would definitely have to like cut them out if that was the case.
I know, right? What an asshole.
Well, fuck, that was all we had scheduled. We're fucking done. We just gotta push this thing back in its hole. Put this in the back of the truck. Unload it at Zach's.
See how well this goes.
Pretty well, I'm sure.
That'll be the first negotiation. Get up there. Wash my hands.
Oh, can I wash your hands?
Sure.
Cool. So, to sum it all up, we got a lot done today. It was a bunch of miscellaneous little stuff that we've needed to get done, maintenance stuff, nothing super interesting, but I hope you guys are interested in the changes in the Tacoma build. Anybody that bought one of the Rust Bucket Rotary collaboration shirts, we'll give you a new 1UZ Tacoma shirt for free. You just send us a message. We'll hook you up with that. Since somebody changes their mind.
I changed my mind more than I changed my undies.
You know, if you didn't change your mind so much, I would be worried about that, but...
Well, you gotta look at it this way. Financially, doing the Rotary, it's just not there. I don't have it.
Yeah, we definitely thought we were gonna be rich and famous off of YouTube by now, and we really overestimated ourselves on that one. So, a couple more merch sales, we'll be there. We'll Rotary something.
I just want this thing running. That's all I want. I just want it to drive. I miss it. Miss hitting corners with it.
So big expensive project just made a turn to be a lot more affordable and a lot more fun and carefree. And I feel like that's more of what the Rust Bucket stands for, don't you?
Yes.
The van got new axles today and it no longer vibrates when I drive it. It got ridiculous at a point where I thought I had bent a wheel pretty good, but everything's solid there now. Check out the new merch on the store, definitely-not-mechanics.com. We've got a couple of new shirts that play on some really fun things in the car culture right now, the extended warranty stuff, shit like that. We just uploaded a new hat, and like I said earlier, next week we've got new stickers coming out. If this is your first time watching, thanks for making it all the way to the end. I know it was painful to watch because we're just kind of idiots, but we have fun, and that's what's important. Everybody loves watching somebody else have fun. Any closing remarks?
Do they really like watching that?
I don't know. I feel like if we tell people what they like enough, they'll start enjoying us.
Okay, well then you enjoy watching us, damn it.
You love this channel.
Bye.